Good morning, respected sir and madam. I am Swarna Lavade and I am delivering the pre-PhD coursework presentation, and my research topic is a novel method for the development of validated analytical methods of some drugs and their formulation. Then about problem regarding or related to my research. First is current trends in regulatory guidelines and to adopt a proactive approach to changes that may affect development and validation programs. Second is defining the method selected for development. So the method selected for development, it should be well defined, otherwise it may create some problems. Third is certifying and availability of the reference standard. Certification is necessary for reference standard. Fourth is setting appropriate limits for reagents. Fifth is peer review of the test methods. Sixth is validation protocol and templates. The validation process should be followed under respected protocols and templates, otherwise it may create a problem. Then last is lack of clear guidelines on acceptable assay variation. Then my idea regarding these problems or how to solve these problems. First is to develop a novel method for the validation and analysis of some drugs and their formulation. Validation is the analytical procedure which is suitable for its intended use, and analysis is the branch of science or chemistry which deals with the study of composition of molecules or elements. Then second idea is development and validation has a direct impact on quality of drug products. Quality of drug products is the main focus of pharmaceutical industries. Then the third is idea provide timely, accurate, and reliable data is the central role of analytical chemist and is especially true in the field of discovery, development, and manufacture of pharmaceuticals. Then fourth is very sensitive and specific stability indicating methods are required for analysis of drug products. For example, reverse phase chromatographic methods. And last is this present study in this present study, a method developed for analysis on HPLC, that is high performance liquid chromatography, gas chromatography, X-ray diffraction. But due to validation process, we can sure that this method is reproducible, precise, and have ruggedness. Then, by using reverse phase chromatographic method, in that high performing liquid chromatography, I perform the experiment. So for this, the working principle is composed of introduction, basics of HPLC, survey, experimental details, and discussion of results on the following validation parameters. On the basis of validation parameters, I perform my research. So first parameter is accuracy. It is an assessment of the difference between the measured value and the true value. Then precision is a measure of the agreement for multiple measurements on the same sample. Then specificity is the ability to assess the analyte when in the presence of other components. Then limit of detection is the lowest amount of analyte that can be detected accurately. Then limit of quantitation is the lowest amount of analyte that can be determined accurately. Then linearity and range, the proportionality of the measurement to the concentration of analyte in a specified range. And last, robustness, a check of the effect of deliberate small changes to the method on the result. So these are some validation parameters. Then on the basis of these parameters, some outcomes are there. The first is the novel method developed for formulation of drugs having social importance. Second is an analytical method developed and validated as zopiclone, a good quality drug product, as zopiclone is used as a hypnotizing agent. And then third is new coral and reverse phase high performance liquid chromatographic method is used for analysis. And last, produced a product of necessary characteristics and quality reliably in a cost effective manner. Thank you.